Nothing says fall like the red maple's fiery leaves. Nature's own masterpiece. Bold, low maintenance, breathtaking, and unforgettable. Today with TN Nursery, let's plant the magic of autumn in your yard. Today we're diving into why gardeners everywhere love the red maple and what makes it stand out as fall's most stunning tree. Meet the red maple tree, Acer rubrum, one of America's most popular ornamental trees and a must-have for any landscape. This hardy deciduous tree thrives in USDA zones 3 to 9, adapting to almost any region and soil type, from sandy to loamy to clay. In early spring, before most trees leaf out, it bursts with vibrant red flowers, attracting bees, butterflies, and other pollinators, into a fiery mix of crimson, orange, and gold, making it one of the best fall foliage trees you can plant. Growing up to 60 feet tall with a 40-foot spread, it's wildlife-friendly, offering shelter for woodpeckers and food for beneficial insects. Best of all, it's low maintenance. Just water occasionally once established and fertilize in spring and fall. The red maple is a four-season beauty, but in fall, it's absolutely breathtaking. Bring this showstopper to your yard. Visit TN Nursery today. Tap the buy button or link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more plant tips and garden inspiration. Order your red maple tree today.